Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this beautiful 2004 Moto Guzzi V11 Sport. This is Moto Guzzi's full-size sport standard motorcycle. Has a 1064cc fuel-injected V twin engine, 6-speed transmission. This is a clean title California bike. Mileage is unknown. It approximately has 25,000 miles. The odometer, speedometer stopped working about 2,000 miles ago, so mileage is unknown. This bike runs very well. Has the aftermarket Fast-By-Ferracci pipes. Sounds really good. Very muscle-like sound. Very nice torque out of the V-twin engine. Very comfortable. And priced right on only $39.95 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check